Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. I have another Teckin product in here. This is supposed to be a smart switch. I don't know what the heck that is. Must have been something on the table, I don't know, but well, let's open this thing up. Always have a problem with this because I don't have that good fingernails, man. Okay, there we go. I scratched it open like a monster. This we don't need. So, we have it over here. Let's snip this open. Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow, it's brown or kind of beige. Look at that. And yes, this is the EU switch. I don't know how well you can see this. This is beige. This cover thing. Never seen that before. It's pretty standard thing. It comes in a pack of 4, as you can see. There we go. Now it's a 0 pack. I don't know why you would want to do this. And then you connect them all on a different devices and then you start fighting over it. Okay. Enough with the jokes, guys. You need Smart Life app, if I'm correct. They all need the same thing. But the only problem is that they only work with the latest, not the latest, but the Smart Life app works only with the latest phones and stuff. So you need a latest phone that actually works with that app. This is one of the biggest problems with all of these smart devices, that you can't use them on a PC. I mean, you can technically. I might add some stuff in the description. I used virtual machine and Android emulator, so that's how I'm gonna set it up. But well, I'm gonna show you the entire process how to set this up. Obviously you can manually switch them from the button, and then I'm gonna show you all the stuff that the Smart Life has, all the features and everything. So let's get started. Alright, so there are 2 ways to connect this up. One of them is through the internet, which is the normal mode, and the other mode is if you don't have internet access. I think you can connect it, I'm not 100% sure. It's the so-called access point mode, that this thing is going to be on an access point and you connect your Wi-Fi directly to this one, and then you can, pair it up. But I think you still need internet for that, so I'm not sure what's the point of that. Maybe if it can't communicate with, your wireless, if it's too far away or something, or if you want just direct access to it. But I wouldn't recommend it anyway, because every time you want to switch it, you need to actually connect to this device and not to your internet. So anyway, the normal mode, all you do is just plug it in and it should start blinking. I'm gonna turn the light off for a second. See, it blinks like this. If you haven't paired it up, then that's how it works. If you have paired it up, then you simply hold this button for about, just forget how much. You just press it and you hold it down until it starts blinking. It's really simple as that. So, once you have done that, then we're gonna move to the app, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do in there. Alright, so we are in the app in here. We need Smart Life. It's in the Google Store. I'm gonna show you just in case you need it. Smart Life. And it's this app. I know it's not updated because it was giving me some issues and stuff. It's very poorly made, this app, and I just gave up on it and I just installed the older version. So anyway, here we have the sockets and stuff in here. I already added one of them in here, that one, the smart socket 16 amp number 1. But I'm going to show you how to add another one. You simply click the plus icon, then we click on what device type it is. It's obviously a socket, so we're gonna select this. Confirm indicator rapidly blink. See, they can't even spell English. This is how bad this app is. It should say, confirm that the indicator is rapidly blinking. Like, this is not English, guys. But anyway. So, next thing, you enter your Wi-Fi password, the one you are currently connected to, as you can see in here. That's the Wi-Fi name in here. You enter your password, confirm it, and then it's gonna start doing stuff. And you should also see that the blinking indicator should stop right about now. There we go. And then simply just let it finish. It's gonna take a while, or maybe not that long. So We can add the number in here. Oops, I think that's already number 2. And I also have to mention a couple of things in here before I move on. But let's just save it. There we go. Click OK. And there we are. Where is socket number 2? So we can click, it's on. Click, it's off. That's how it works, guys. Click on, click off. I'm going to connect a lamp to it just to show you. Alright, so I have connected the lamp up, and let's see what happens if I press this. See? Presto, it's on. And like by magic, it's off. And then this app has a lot of functions in here. You can click on this device. I said click on this device. What is it doing? Oh, mate! Okay, on some reason it doesn't work. See, my other device, I can click on it, but on this one, on some reason, I can't click on it. I don't know what it's doing. If I would click on anything else, let's say this one in here, I can power it on. Then we can go to the electric tab. This shows you how much power it takes. See, that's one of my old blocks I used for something. And that's how it should show you. And then you can go through, you can click on it, and you can see how much per day it consumes electricity and stuff. Then we can go back from here, and we can also turn it off. We also have a timer which you can add when it turns off and on. You have to set like in here, you have to set the time in here, whatever you want in here, and then you repeat either once, or you can repeat every day. The schedule thing, countdown when it turns off, I believe. Right, so I also tried it on BlueStacks. This is the Android simulator in my VMware. But, well, there are a few things to explain on this one if you do want to use it. It's not really related to the, the product, but it kinda is, because it forces you to use this stupid app instead of using it on a PC. It's very, very bad. So the first thing is that my PC obviously doesn't have a GPS. I actually have a USB one, but anyway. So I installed this kind of app which marks your GPS location, and of course there's some stupid adverts already popping up like go away. I don't even know how to get rid of that now, but anyway, you don't need this garbage right now. So you install that, then you have to make yourself a developer, which is pretty easy in Android. You go into your system settings, and then you click on 7 times on the, wait, not this one, some version info. I forgot where it was. After that, you can put the mark location on, and only then you can use the smart life the way it's supposed to be used, because everything is designed to spy on you nowadays. So in other words, if your location is off, this app doesn't even work. It has to spy on you. It has to know your location, otherwise it refuses to work. Moving on to the BlueStacks now, it's the same device. See, I can turn it on and off in here. I turned the camera off because you don't really need it. But in here we can click on it and it works. So it's probably because it's older version. But like I said, in the Android emulator it doesn't even work. So I need to use BlueStacks. But the problem with BlueStacks is that it doesn't have a direct access to my wireless. Which means I can't add the devices. It's a complete nightmare. Why can't they just make the app or a program? App is a stupid word, by the way. It's an application. Application is like a paper application that you fill out. But anyway, why can't they make a computer program work on a PC? What is so difficult? But as you can see, this thing in here, if I turn it on and then go into statistics, it's now statistics, not electricity thing, we can see that I have connected a 35.2 watt 35 watt light, and it shows you exactly how much power it takes. So it shows you the voltage. The current voltage is 226, 25. It's pretty good stuff. It does show you everything. And then you can also set the same kind of thing. What is this? Switch. Okay, switch. What's the point of that? Look how poor this app is. You have a huge switch in the middle of the screen, and then you also have a switch in here. I just don't get it, guys. Who designed this garbage? I know it has nothing to do with the product developers, but I just have to pick on the stupid app because it is stupid. But anyway, guys, this is how it works. This is how to set it up, and this is how to
use it on PC if you want to. I'll probably make another tutorial about this somewhere, but this is just a review of the product. So here it is, guys. That's the Teckin 4-pack socket, smart socket. And I will see you guys next time.